This day, as you all know, we are looking at terms that solving right angle triangle by finding sides. As you all know that on this topic, we use right angle triangle to solve any problem related to an angle or the sides in any given triangle. For example, if the question says that we should find the value of the marked side or sides in the following triangle, we should find the sides that have been marked in the following triangle. Number one, let's look at this. As we all know that this is a right angle triangle, we are having a value here which says 80 meters. This place is x, while this place is 35 degrees. Now, we should not forget that for us to solve this problem, we have to use SOHCAHTOA. So means sine, which is opposite over hypotenuse. On cot, we have adjacent over hypotenuse, while on tangent, we have opposite over adjacent. We all know this. Now, the first one I'm going to look at it is this. This is angle 35, and this is x we are looking for. Now, let's look at this. 35 is directly opposite of x. So, either this or this. Because this is O, which is the opposite. And the other thing that we're going to look at it here is that this is the longest side in a right angle triangle, which is hypotenuse, having h. So this one is having h, this one is not having h. Definitely from the initial stage, we've removed this one because there's not like adjacent, this one is out. This is tangent without having hypotenuse. Definitely we are using sine. So if we're now having sine theta equals to opposite over hypotenuse. This theta here is sine 35 degrees equals to the opposite is x over 18 meters. It means, as usual, we look for our cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, we have x to be equal to 18 meters multiplied by sine 35 degrees. And we'll now look at our sine 35 degrees from our formula table to be equals to 18 meters multiplied by what we look for sine 35 is going to give us 0.5736. 0.5736. That's sine 35 there. When we now multiply 18 by this number, 80 times this number, it means it's going to give us 10.32 meters. Let us assume that we have to make our answers to be in 3SF. This one gives us 10.3 meter into 3SF. So this is the first example that we like us to look at it. Let me clearly explain it again. This x is directly opposite of angle 35, and this is hypotenuse. Definitely we are using so because we are having opposite and hypotenuse. Opposite and hypotenuse, the two are coming up here. And we know that on that note, we have sine theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which our theta here is sine 35 degrees to be equal to x over 80 meters. But this is the opposite, which is x over hypotenuse, which is 80 meters. We cross multiply. We are now having our x to be equal to 80 meters multiplied by sine 35 degrees. And as well as sine 35 degrees from our formula table, under the sign of angle, as you all know, this one gives us 0.5736 multiplied by 18 is going to give us 10.32 meters. I want to make our answer to be in 3SF. 3SF means 3 significant figure. This one we are rounding up to this one, as we all know in terms of significant figure. Since this one is less than 5, we round it down, which is 0. 0 plus 3, that's why we have 10.3 meters there. Let's take that one as example number 1. Let's take another example. Example number 2. I will still be making use of my SOHCAHTOA to be solving as many problems I want to solve. Example number 2. We have a diagram like this. This is our angle 90 degrees. Angle 90 degrees there. And at the same time, we are having our y here. We are having our 25 meters. We are having our 25 meters. While the other side there, we are having 42 degrees. 42 degrees. Now, if you look at this place very well, this one is our hypotenuse. This one is our opposite. Why this one is our adjacent. The last part, let's go to our SOHCAHTOA and delete them one after the other to be able to know which one we are going to use. Now look at this place very well. We have hypotenuse. Because hypotenuse is being given. Hypotenuse is being given. So hypotenuse is being given either this or this. So this one is out of it completely because we don't have H in SOA there. Now the next thing I'm going to look at is this. This is the opposite. We are not dealing with opposite here. Instead we are dealing with adjacent, which is A. So definitely this one is coming up. We are making use of cos. We are making use of cos there, which is cos. Let's use alpha this time around instead of theta. Cos alpha equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. That is cos 42 degrees to be equal to my adjacent here is y all over my hypotenuse is 25 meters. So we also cross multiply again. This one will give us y to be equal to 25 meters multiplied by cos 42 degrees. Therefore, we have y to be equal to 25 meters multiplied by, when we look for cos 42 degree in our formula, that's 42 under 0. We have 0.7431. 0.7431. 0.7431. So when we multiply these two figures together, it's going to give us 18.57 centimeter. Meter, rather, we're working on meter. Let's make our answer to be 3SF2. To make it to be 3SF, this is 1, 2, 3, 4. The rule that we know, we round up this one to this place. This is 7, which is more than 5, because on that note, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one will give us plus 1. This one will give us this one will give us 1. I will give us 0. As you all know, since 7 is here, it's giving us 1. 1. That one we are adding to this one, making 6. That is 18.6 meters. That is all about the other example number 2. Example number 2. Let's give another example before we call it a day. Let's give another example. Who is going to be our example number 3? It's in triangle ABC. Angle A equals to 90 degrees. Angle B equals to 40 degrees. Line side BC equals to 20 centimeters. We have to find line AC and line AB. As long as this is angle triangle ABC, and we're making use of right angle triangle, so let's draw a right angle triangle of this. The first place we are going to locate is that 90 degrees, which is A. And 90 degrees is angle A, so this place will be A. If I like, I can call this place B, call this place C, or this place B, this place C. Anyone, there's no problem. So I prefer to have this place as my B, which is going to be 40 degrees, and this will be C. So now let's say that BC, side BC, this is side BC to be equal to 20 centimeters. We have to find AC, that is this place. We have to look for that one. Let me call this place my K, and let me call this place M. Because we are looking for K, we are looking for M, we are looking for both sides. So on that note, let's solve this problem this way. Number 1, AC, side AC. On that note of side AC, it means we have, let's look at it together. If we are looking for this place, which is AC, is going to be our K, and how do we get our K? Now, on that note, let's keep this one somewhere now, this M. Now, this place is the opposite of 40. Now, this is hypotenuse, and this is adjacent. We should not forget our rules. So, SOHCAHTOA. We have H, either this or this, but we have opposite, which is this. So, definitely we are making use of this. So, this one and this one, they are out by the time we are looking for K. It means sine theta to be equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is sine 40 degrees to be equal to, the opposite is K over 20 centimeters. Therefore, K equals to, when we cross multiply, 20 centimeter multiplied by sine 40 degrees. And sine 40 degrees from our fourth figure table, sine 40 degree from our fourth figure table will give us 0.6428. That's 20 centimeter multiplied by 0.6428. And by the time we multiply these two numbers together, it will give us 12.85 centimeter. Let's also make it to be in 3SF. We all know in 3SF that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one will give me 1. This one will give us 0. What we are looking for here is 5. 5 is within this place. It means that it's going to give us 1. We are going to add 1 by adding up this one to 8, which is going to give us 9. This is equals to 12.9 centimeter. If we are looking for K side will give us 12.9 centimeter. Now, let's also get the other one, which is our M. Our M. On that note, we call this place our M. If this place is our M now, it means we have it in this way, which is going to be our number 2. The question I asked us to do for number 2, which is side AB, we call it M. Let it be equal to M. It means this time around, this place is our hypotenuse, this place remains as opposite, this place will not be our adjacent. We don't have anything to do with opposite, but this is what we are looking for. So definitely our the O will be out. We don't have anything to do with O is out. So this one is out, this one is out. We are using car. So by the time we are using car, which is cos theta equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse is written as cos 40 degrees to be equal to our adjacent is M over hypotenuse. We also use cross multiplication, which is written as M to be equal to our hypotenuse here is 20 centimeter. Let's have it directly as 20 centimeter. We're now having 20 centimeter multiplied by cos 40 degrees. It's written as 20 centimeter multiplied. Let's look for cos 40 from our fourth figure table. Cos 40 from our fourth figure table will give us 0.7660. 0.7660. So when we now multiply the two figures together, it's going to give us 15.32 centimeter. 15.32 centimeter. We also make it with 3SF. As one know, this is 2, which is going to give us a 0 in rounding down. So we now round down this one will give us 3. This is therefore M equals to 15.3 centimeter. This is how we're going to stop our example for the day. But before we close for the day, let me give us the assignment I'm going to work on. The assignment on this topic. Assignment on this. I'll give us only 2 questions. 2 questions. Number 1 says we should look for the value. Let's get the value right here. When we have something this nature, the place that is being marked, the space that is being marked, we should get the value there. Let's say this place is 34 degrees. Let's call this one A, B. Let's call this place C. Let's call this place. And there's 34 degrees here. Let's say we are looking for this place. Let's call this one X. Let's get the value of X again. Let's get the value of X again. That's the first question. And this place, let's make this to be 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter, we should get this place. Number 2, let's have it in word problem like this. In triangle ABC, if angle F equals to 90 degrees, angle A equal to 28 degrees, and side DF, which is line, equals to 12 centimeter. We have to find ED. Let's find ED. So this one is DEF. Sorry, this is DEF. So angle F have been given. Angle, this one will now give us angle. Let's make this one to be angle D. Angle D to 28 degrees. side DF to equal 12 centimeters, we should look for side ED. So this is where I'm going to stop for the day. Thank you, class. Have a nice day.